I get one question again and again from a lot of students. Should they study in Ireland or not? Hi, my name is Shivali Jain, co-founder Global Edge, study abroad consultants in Green Park, New Delhi. Today, I will tell you 5 most important points that will help you decide whether you should study in Ireland or not. Don't miss the last point. First, Ireland is one of the most safest countries to live in. It is an English-speaking country and all the courses are taught in English language. You know one thing? That this would save a lot of your time and effort to adjust and settle in an entirely new country. Second, Ireland has world-ranked universities with superb infrastructure. They have excellent facilities for international students. They have beautiful campuses, libraries that are 4 stories high with every book you can think of. They have water bodies within the campus. Now just imagine yourself studying in such a beautiful environment with world-class facilities. Third, comparatively, Ireland has low tuition fees and they provide very good scholarship. The master's degree is only for 1 year. Just imagine how much time and money you are saving by studying in Ireland. Fourth, international students get a 2-year stay-back option after they complete their masters from Ireland. This means that after finishing your master's degree, you can actually remain in Ireland and work for 24 months. You can work and earn in euros. What a great opportunity! One more thing, international students can also do part-time work for 20 hours per week. During vacations, they can work for 40 hours per week. The fifth point, there are very good career opportunities in Ireland which a lot of students are not aware of. It is a part of European Union and one of the fastest growing economies of Europe. Ireland is world's second largest exporter of software and has the world's top financial service companies there. It has world's top medical device companies and also the world's top ICT companies based there. It has more than 1500 MNCs. Some of the companies are Google, Apple, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pfizer, Lufthansa, Citibank, Yahoo, Dell, etc. A lot of students are not aware of what I have just told you. Working in these companies will help you get a very good return on investment and a very bright future. I hope I have been able to share some very useful information which will help you decide whether you should study in Ireland or not. Global Edge represents all Irish universities and colleges directly and has expertise in the Irish visa. We have been sending students for overseas for more than 11 years. If you feel that you would like to have more clarity on the above or would like to apply to universities in Ireland, you can just call us at 011 4847 5000 or put your comments here or mail us on the email ID mentioned in the description. We will be glad to assist you. Our head office is in Green Park, New Delhi. If you like this video, don't forget to share and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care and have a good day.